You ever notice how victimhood sells better than solutions? Because in today's world, staying wounded is a subscription model. And healing, that's apparently a threat to the algorithm. But here's the inconvenient truth. A mindset of perpetual victimhood ultimately leads to defeat. Complacency makes us vulnerable to exploitation. It's time to shift from victimhood to vigilance. You want inspiration? Look at the Jewish community, a people who, after enduring one of the darkest chapters in human history, didn't just survive. They redefined resilience. While the world looked away, they looked within. Education, economic strategy, structure. They didn't wait for the world to apologize, they got busy shaping it. They became a testament to resilience, achieving greatness in various fields. Now ask yourself, why aren't we doing the same? Let's adopt a similar mindset. Stop waiting for validation. Stop begging for permission to exist. Let's fight for our rights, our respect, and our dignity. Keep one eye open, stay vigilant, and never settle for mediocrity. We, as Black people, make up approximately 18% of the global population. Compare that to 8% white, and just 0.022% Jewish. Let that bake in for a second. We're not small, we're not minor, we are massive. So why act like success is someone else's property line? It's time to harness our collective strength, reject the narrative of perpetual victimhood, and forge our own path to success and self-determination. Because here's what they won't tweet. People with a victim attitude ultimately lose. When you get too comfortable, you make yourself an easy victim. Comfort zones are lovely places until they become cages. And the truth is, that's why it's essential to fight and stop playing the victim. This isn't about rage, it's about reach. Reach into your history, reach into your legacy, then reach forward. Never act as a victim or get too comfortable, but learn to always keep one eye open and fight for what you want, especially respect. But here's the kicker. Don't rely on others' approval or validation. Because if you need permission to matter, you've already handed over your power.
You already handed over your power.
You already handed over your power. You already handed over your power. You've already